Ji, Assalamu alaikum and good morning nursery class. So today is Monday and teacher Faiza is with you nursery class and today is mashallah 6th of Ramzan nursery. So are you doing tasbih of Al-Rahman and Al-Rahim? I hope that you are doing okay. I have said you that you have to do the tasbih of 100 times daily, okay? And do send me the video if you have learned about wuzu, okay? In SG class, as you know that these days we are facing internet issue, so don't you get worry, inshallah it will be resolved. Allah will resolve it, okay? If you do the tasbih, Allah will help us to resolve the issue, okay? So nursery class, let's come to the work. So what is day today? Today date is 1/9/19 dash 4 dash 21/21. And what we write here in the middle of the page nursery class, we write here classwork because we are doing this in class. So nursery class, open your this page nursery class, open your worksheet and open this page in which you have seen count backward from 20. Trace and fill in the missing numbers. Okay nursery class. So what we have to do nursery class, we have to do backward counting. You remember the backward counting in nursery? It's just start from 2020. First of all, we have to trace 20. Can you see nursery? Sorry. Okay nursery class, it is 2020. So nursery class, what comes before 2020? G 1919. And which number comes from 1919? It's 1818. Which number comes before 1818? Think carefully. G 1717. And which number comes before 1717 is nursery class? It's 1616. Now move to the next line nursery class. So which number comes before 1616 nursery class? It's 1515. Again 1515. And which number comes before 1515? It's 14. Very good, my nursery. And which number comes before 1414? It's 1313. And which number comes before 1313? G 12. Nursery class, please do it with me. Don't disturb your mama. You and me can do much better than that, okay? So nursery class, which number comes before 12? It's 11. Okay nursery class, we have successfully finished 2 lines. Come to the next line nursery class. So which number comes before 11 nursery? It's 10. Very good. Which number comes before 10 nursery class? It's 9. And which number comes before 9? 8. And which number comes before 8 nursery class? It's 7. Very good nursery class. You are doing very well. And which number comes before 7 nursery class? Yes, 6. They have given us the 6. We only need to trace it. Very good nursery. You are doing very well. So nursery class, which number comes before 6? G. Think carefully nursery class. It's 5. Very good. You are doing very well nursery class. And which number comes before 5 nursery class? Yes, think carefully nursery class. G, it's 4. Very good. And which number comes before 3, nursery? Sorry, which number comes before 4? 3. And they have given us number 3. Very good. And which number comes before 3, nursery? It's 2. Very good. And which number comes before 2, nursery class? It's 1. So nursery class, we have successfully finished our backward counting from 20 to 1. Now, which is our next step? Yes, you know that now we have to color these oranges. What is this, nursery class? This is an orange. What is this? This is an orange. And what is this? This is the leaf of the orange. What is this? This is the leaf of the orange. And what is this, nursery class? Yes, this is the stem. So nursery class, which color we will do in the leaf? We will do green color in the leaf. Very good. And nursery class, which color you will do in the stem? You eat orange now. So which color you find in the stem, nursery class? G. Excellent. Brown. Which color you find in the stem? Brown. So teacher will also do the brown color in the orange, nursery class. Very good. And what is the color of the orange, nursery? Orange. See, the orange has the orange color, nursery class. So teacher will do orange color. So nursery class, you have to do a very neat and clean color. Okay, let the teacher do and then teacher will show you. So nursery class, I have color in the first line and you have to color in all the oranges like this. Okay, brown color in the stem, green color in the leaf, and the orange color in the orange. Okay, nursery class, now move to the next page. G, nursery class, this is our next page. They have write the number words. Okay, you remember now the spellings, nursery class? They have given us the numbers and we have to write down its spellings. Okay, nursery class. Now what we have to do, what is this number? This is number 1. So what is the spelling of 1, nursery class? O N E 1. Okay, and what is the spelling of 2? It's T W O 2. One more thing which we have to do. This is 1. So how many apples we will draw over here? 1. Okay, nursery class. And you also have to do the coloring in these apples. And plus you can draw anything that you like. I like apples, so I will draw apple. And I will draw here 2 apples, nursery class. Again, you will do the green color in the leaf and the red color in the apple. Okay, 1 apple and here it is second apple. Okay, nursery class, in this way your counting will get improved. 1 and 2. So here it is number 3. So what is the spelling of 3, nursery class? T H R double E 3. Okay, nursery class, THR double E 3. And what is how many apples we will draw here, nursery class? We will draw here 3 apples. Okay, nursery, 1 apple, 2 apple, and then 3 apples. Okay, nursery class. Now move to the next number. Which is the next number? It is number 4. And what is the spelling of 4, nursery class? You tell me. F O U R 4. And how many apples we will draw in front of the 4, nursery? Yes, 4 apples. 1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apple, and 4 apples, nursery class. Okay, nursery. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now move to the next nursery class. It is number 5. So nursery class, what is the spelling of 5? F I V E 5. What is the spelling of 5? F I V E 5. So how many apples teacher will draw here? See, here it is number 5 and we also draw the apple with the help of 5. Okay, nursery class, 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples, and then 5 apples. Okay, nursery class. So which is next number? It is number 6. And what is the spelling of 6, nursery class? S I X 6. And what is the spelling of 6? And how many apples we will draw here, nursery class? 6. 1 apple. Let me draw 6 and then I will come to you. See, nursery class, your teacher have beautifully drawn 6 apple. Okay, I expect the same neat work from you. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, nursery class, I have drawn 6 apples. Move to the next number, which is number 7. What is the spelling of 7, nursery class? S E V E N 7. Again, S E V E N 7. So how many apples we will draw here? We will draw 7 apples over here. Okay, let's teacher draw and then we'll show you. See, nursery class, teacher have drawn 7 apples. Let's count with the teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I think you remember the rule of the counting, that we have to put the pencil and then we count with the teacher. Now move to the next nursery class. What is this number? This is number 8. And what is the spelling of 8, nursery class? It's E I G H T 8. Again, E I G H T 8. So your teacher will draw 8 apples over here. Okay, let's the teacher draw and then come to you. See, nursery class, your teacher have drawn 8 apples over here. Put the finger and count with the teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, nursery class, your teacher have drawn 8 apples over here. So move to the next number, which is number 9. What is the spelling of 9, nursery class? It's N I N E 9. Again, N I N E 9. Okay, nursery class. So how many apple teacher will draw here? 9 apples. Okay, let's the teacher draw and then come to you. Okay, nursery class, your teacher have drawn 9 apples over here. Okay, let's count with the teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, nursery class. Now move to the next number, nursery class, which is number 10. It is number 10. 1, 0, 10. So nursery class, what is the spelling of 10? It's T E N 10. So how many apples teacher will draw over here? 10 apples. Okay, let the teacher draw and then we'll come to you. So nursery class, your teacher have drawn the 10 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And which is our last step? We have to color in these. Okay, we have to do the green color in the leaf and the red color in the apple's body. Let's do the color and then come to meet the teacher, nursery. Okay, nursery class. So your teacher did the color for you, nursery class. Okay, I expect the same neat work from you. Okay, I just color just because of you, that you learn the pattern that you have to follow. Okay, nursery class, these two pages are your classwork, the orange page and then this the spelling page. Okay, now move to the homework, nursery class. Turn this page, nursery class. This is a sort of activity page, nursery class. You have to color in the dinosaur or dragon, whatever you want to say, nursery class. And this is a puzzle. Okay, nursery, this is not your classwork, this is your homework. Write down here homework. Okay, nursery. So nursery class, now what you have to do, you have to find out the spelling of these words. SIX6, then SEVEN7, then EIGHT8, then NINE9, and last but not the least is TEN10. Okay, I will help you with these three spellings. Okay, but you have to find out 9 and 10 by yourself. Okay, nursery class, let's find 6. Okay, they have help us in finding the spelling of 6. We just need to trace this. Okay, nursery, teacher is not doing in a good way, but you try to do in a neat way. Okay, nursery. Okay, now which is the next number? It is SEVEN7. Let's find out, is it in the first line S? No. The second line, is there any S? No. Then in the third line, is there any S? No. It's one S, but they are it is making the spelling of SIX6. Okay, no other say S. What happening with the teacher nursery today? Then there is any S over here? No. Oh my god, the S in the first number. Okay, nursery class, then what is the spelling of 7? SEVEN7. Okay, we got it, the spelling of 7. Now nursery class, let's come and circle this. Okay, nursery class, you will circle and then you will do the color in the 7. Okay, nursery class, do the color. The teacher will do the color and then come to you. Okay, nursery class, teacher have find out the spelling of 7 and then color it so it will look clear and beautiful, nursery class. So which is the next number? It is EIGHT8. Okay, nursery class, so we have to find out the spelling of 8. For the spelling of 8, we have to find out first of all E. Oh, in the first line and on the second number. Very good, nursery class. What is the spelling of 8? EIGHT8. So nursery class, your teacher have finally got the third spelling. Let's circle the full spelling of 8. Very good. Now which is your next step, nursery class? You have to do the color in this. Let's color and then meet the teacher. So nursery class, your teacher have find out the spelling of 8. Okay, in this way we find out the three spelling: 8, 6 and then 7. Now it's your duty to find out the spelling of 9 and 10. Okay, nursery class, I hope that you will find out and do the coloring. Okay, this is your one page of homework, nursery class. Now move to the copy work, nursery. So nursery class, I have write the pattern for you, in which nursery class you have to write down the spelling of 0 to 10 and also draw the object in front of your spellings. Okay, I have drawn the apples, but you can draw anything of your like. Okay, your teacher like apple, so that is why she have drawn apple. You have to write down the spellings. Okay, nursery class. So 2 pages of classwork and 2 pages of homework. Okay, nursery class. So time of your maths lecture is come to an, nursery class. I hope that you enjoy and learn, nursery. So take good care of yourself, nursery class. Do lots of dua for yourself and for your country, nursery class. So inshallah we will meet on Thursday with SST class. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz, nursery.